So let's talk about the best crypto wallet without KYC. So keep your crypto safe and easy to use. This video is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. So here we go. Are you looking for the best crypto wallet that doesn't require KYC? KFC, I'm hungry. You got to know your customer, okay? That's what KYC stands for, okay? You're in the right place. This video is going to show you how to use wallets that allow you to store your crypto without complicated steps. So step one, choose a wallet like Trust Wallet or MetaMask. Okay, so look up Trust Wallet, look up MetaMask, see which one you like better. Both are easy to set up. They do not require you to submit any personal information. Step two, you're going to download and install your chosen wallet on your phone or your computer. It's a fast process that will have you ready to go in no time. Step three, start using your wallet to store, send, to receive crypto. You're going to love how simple and secure it is to use, all without giving out your personal details, okay? These wallets are great for anybody who wants to keep things private while using cryptocurrency, okay? Plus, they are trusted by thousands of users around the world, okay? Making them safe and reliable. And by the way, if you're not one of the 100 million people on crypto.com already, use my referral link so that we can both get rewarded nicely, and then you can do the same thing with other people.